Hello, and in this video I'll show you how to install VSCode in Fedora. If you go to the website of VSCode, so just search for VSCode or Visual Studio Code, however you want to search for it, and then just get into the first link that you see, and then just click on this button right here, which is .rpm Fedora. Then you can just install it from here. So you can see this is the official installation guide from VS Code or from Microsoft that will show you how to install it. So then we can just scroll down, and once you see this one right here that said RHEL, Fedora and CentOS, so this is basically what we are looking for. So now we can just get on with the first command, which is just to get the key. So it's kind of like the permissions to install Fedora. So where is it? There's my terminal. So now we can just do paste. So Ctrl Shift V for paste if you didn't know, and then hit enter. And that's basically that will add the key, and then here this will add it to our repository. So this will add the Microsoft repositories or Microsoft packages to our repository. Oops, that is kind of, I made a mistake, so hold up. Accidentally did not copy this. Okay, so there we go. So make sure you copy the entire thing. So everything should be copied, and then hit enter. And there we go. Then we'll just do sudo def check. Right, so this will check for all the repositories, and as you can see, there is an option called Visual Studio Code. Then we can do sudo def install code, and it should install VS Code. Then we'll just do y. Then we'll just wait for this to download and then install. So I'll see you guys after this is done. And there we go. Now we have successfully installed VS Code in Fedora. Just to make sure it is installed, here, let's get in here, and there we go. Now we have VS Code in Fedora. So I hope you found that video helpful, and if you did, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.